So progress is fairly steady on the CrockTweet project. This will be a variable, programmable, controllable PID crockpot that I'll be hooking up to this LCD display along with these buttons and this potentiometer just to control the contrast of the screen. Everything is worked through on the Arduino environment with coding done by yours truly. And we're hooking up an Arduino Uno along with a breadboard and all this other fancy stuff in the back here to have it process the information that I'm giving it and eventually act as both a sensor for the temperature of the crockpot as well as the PID controller to keep the temperature steady and timed for the specific times that I ask it to do so. Apart from that, the main reason why I did this was so that I could time it. And I know there are more expensive ways, more expensive crockpots rather, that do these things already, but I figure I'd figure it for myself and have it tweet to me when I'm away from the house and having a meal cooked. So currently the menu system that I'm working on works like so. You get this display, CrockTweet. You can adjust the contrast of the screen like I was saying just to help you guys see it a little bit better. And the buttons themselves control, so the first question that it asks you is the number of cooking steps. And I designed kind of a simple diagram of how this is all going to go. So I wanted to say welcome, ask me for the number of cooking steps, choose the times for each of the cooking steps, then choose the temperatures, and then go ahead. So currently I have it in a state where I can select up to 3 separate cooking steps. So it's kind of hard to press because this is also flimsy right now. So there we go, we can switch between as many steps as I need. So let's say I need to have 2 cooking steps. I press the select button down here. It asks me for the amount of time for the steps. And I can select up to 9 hours currently, and then it asks me for the temperature for the steps, and I can continue on that way. This is what I'm working on right now. I'm waiting for the thermocouple to be able to judge the temperature of my crockpot, and then that'll be pretty much set apart from the network integration to have this thing tweet. So look forward to the next steps coming in the next couple weeks. Thanks.